Hello, my name is Fernanda Lopez. Martin. He is my brother. He thinks if he studies more, he gets better grades. Also, if he was more disciplined, he would obtain good goals. Martin is a troublemaker. If Martin stays at home more staying, he doesn't win problem with his family. If she was Martin, mother, what would she do? I think if she was Martin mother, she would do anything. If Martin mother heal him more, he will change his life. Maria. She's teacher. If she doesn't work on Saturday, she can go to the cinema. What will she do on Saturdays? If she has time, she will go shopping. If Maria works every day, she takes a rest on Sunday. It will help Maria on Saturday if she teaches me English. If she had children, she would not have time to take a rest. Will she go ahead on time if she has a car? Yes, it's possible. What will Maria do is she wasn't a teacher. If she wasn't a teacher, she would be a good painter. If Maria has a party, she doesn't invite her brothers. Does Mary's brother come to the party if she invites him? If she celebrates her birthday, she prepares a delicious lasagna. If Mary needs her student, she calls them before 6 p.m. Laura y Charlie. Laura y Charlie are good friends. Laura. What will Laura do if she passes the exam? If she passes the exam, she will study at university. What will he do if he doesn't approve the exam? If he doesn't approve the exam, he will buy a course. Laura wants to study law in Bogotá at National University. What will she do if she counts? If she counts, she will study at UPTC. If Charlie had money, he would travel to Mexico to cannot abuse his culture. If Charlie works and earns enough money, he will make true his dream. Laura, I have a question. What would she do if she won the lottery? If she won the lottery, she would travel around the world, especially to Europa. What will Laura do if this afternoon rains? I think she will stay at home. If she stays at home, she will prepare delicious pizza. If she prepares pizza, what will she need to buy? She will need cheese and pasta. If she prepares pizza, she will enjoy it. If Charlie stays at home, he will listen to music. What kind of music would Charlie like? he would like rock music. If he didn't listen rock music, he would listen to music. Thank you.